So recently I've been getting a new hobby. Actually, it's not a new hobby, it's something that is inside me for quite a while now, and I haven't got a chance to deal with it, which is bunny girls. Yes, I like bunny girls a lot. That I created a origin of the bunny girls, and recently I bought I don't know whether is it 1 or 4, but I basically bought some bunny girl figurine, and now we are gonna open it up. Oh, they put way too much packing tape on it. Oh shit. Oh, I'm surprised I don't cut myself yet. You know, I'm just joking. I wouldn't do that to my own figurine, but I bought it second hand from a guy nearby to me, and it looks rather great. So if you guys don't know, I recently went around a lot of videos and started posting stuff like this, and one of the guys was like, "Hey, I'd like to see your bunny girl collection." Unfortunately, I lied through my teeth. I really don't like to lie, but since I already make that copy and pasting, I have to do it. Yeah, I'm not so sure if this can be considered figures, but look at her. Look at how cute she is. Wait, is it fake? It says made in China though. But it doesn't matter. Look at how. Oh shit, one of the. Oh, okay. So this thing doesn't stick to the bottom, huh? Oh, the rest. This one, this thing at the bottom, it sticks, but this one, you know, it's popping out a bit. I'm not so sure if, yeah, it's popping out a bit. I don't know why. Oh, among all the 4, I think I couldn't decide which one I liked them the most. Oh, this one doesn't seem that bad at all. I'm not sure if it's just me or this one look like those disfigured smart face. As well. I love the details on this figurine, especially the background. Nice. Oh yeah, and these things are stackable. Yeah, you can stack them in all sorts of ways. Which is what I like about this, because all this together. Look at how well it's made. Look at how well it is. It's almost as if I glued them together. Hey. Oh shit. Oh. And that's pretty much the end of the video. I honestly love bunny girls a lot. A lot of people think that I'm joking, but I'm actually serious. In fact, Barnacles has been a part of my life for the past 2 years. And with that being said, if you like the video, join me on the raid on August 21, World's Bunny Day. More detail will be revealed 3 months before the actual event, which is on 21st May 2021. Provided if we muster enough people. Aside from that, stay strong, my comrade. And I'm pretty much clean and haven't nutted this month. Aside from all the nuts that I've been nutting. And speaking of which, in a few days time we can nut till our heart content. And I have a source generator. You guys can use it. It will link you. It won't say, I'm not saying that it will link you, but it will give you 41 of the most wholesome mangas that I handpicked. A few of them that I like personally. Yeah. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.